So guys, this works for both Windows 11 and Windows 10. So we're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on any service and click on P on your keyboard. You want to scroll down until you find Print Spooler. You want to right click on it and then click on stop. Now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer Options. Click on it. Now once you're on this, we're going to click on the View tab. And then you want to make sure that Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives has been selected. And then click on OK. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. Now once you're on this, we're going to click on SPC, C Drive, Windows. You're going to scroll down and then click on System 32. And now you're going to scroll down again. And then you want to click on Spool. Here it is, double click on this. And now you want to click on Printers. Continue. If you see any print entries in here, you want to delete all of them. I've got nothing in here, but you might have some stuff. You want to delete everything in here. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search, and then you want to type in services again. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on any service, then click on P on your keyboard. You want to scroll down till you find Print Spooler. You want to right click on it, and then click on Start. And now you want to restart your computer, and then that's fixed the problem.